In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Tableau certified. Embarking on the journey to achieve a Tableau certification is a fantastic way to validate and showcase your skills in data visualization and analytics. To begin with, it's important to choose the right certification path that aligns with your career goals and current skill level. Tableau offers a variety of certification options, such as the Tableau Desktop Specialist, Tableau Certified Data Analyst, and Tableau Server Certified Associate. They also offer other credentials like Desktop Certified Professional and Certified Associate Consultant, among others. Deciding on the right path is crucial as it sets the foundation for your learning and preparation journey. Once you've chosen your certification path, the next step is to locate the specific exam prep guide tailored to your selected certification. This guide is available on the Tableau website and will be an invaluable resource as it outlines the topics you need to focus on and the skills you must master to perform well on the exam. The prep guide will help you create a study plan and structure your preparation efficiently. Taking advantage of Tableau's educational resources can significantly enhance your learning experience. Head over to the Tableau Learn page, where you'll find a wealth of free e-learning content and instructor-led courses. These resources cater to both beginners and those seeking advanced knowledge, providing foundational insights and in-depth expertise on Tableau's tools and functionalities. Building hands-on experience is another critical aspect of your preparation strategy. Spend time using Tableau Desktop and, if applicable, other recommended Tableau products. This practical experience is vital because it helps to cement your theoretical knowledge through real-world application. The more familiar you are with the tools, the more confident you will be during the exam, especially if there are performance-based components. Once you feel prepared and confident in your skills, it's time to register for the exam. You can do this on the Tableau certification page or through Tableau's partner site. All exam scheduling is handled by Pearson VUE, and you'll have the flexibility to choose a testing format that suits you, whether that's in person at a testing center or through a web-proctored online session. The exam itself usually consists of multiple-choice questions and may include performance-based lab items, especially for more advanced certifications. It's good to be well-rounded in your preparation, making sure you can handle theoretical questions as well as practical tasks. Focus on understanding the material thoroughly and practice as much as possible to increase your chances of success. Good luck with your certification journey, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you work towards showcasing your